welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit Silverqueen filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using Dispel Direct. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Bring the contrast in 40. Highlight -50. Shadow to 40. Whites to -68. And blacks to 50. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. Tint go to -20. And vibrance go to 40. And saturation go to -20. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Luminance to 40. Next go to orange. Hue and saturation to -10. And luminance to 20. Go to yellow. And -100 for hue and saturation. And 50 for luminance. Bring the saturation to -100 for green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to Effect. 16 for texture. Clarity go to 40. And dehaze to 10. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 223 and saturation 10 for highlights. Bring the hue to 216 and saturation 5 for shadows. And done. Now go to details. Noise reduction and color noise reduction to 20. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.